In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund Google Play subscription. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, to answer this, all we have to do is open up the Play Store, click on our icons at the top right corner of the screen, and first, go into the Help and Feedback section. In here, we can look for Refund and access the Learn About Refunds on Google Play page. If we scroll all the way down, they have a description for all their policies when it comes to refunds. We can find the Google Play Pass option over here, and this tells us that your Play Pass subscription can be cancelled at any time. You will still have access to the subscription until the end of the period you have paid for. And they also go on to say that if you cancel within the first 2 days of the monthly subscription and request a refund, we may refund the cost of the month in which you cancelled. What this means is that you can cancel it at any time. However, to actually get your refund, you need to cancel it on the first 2 days of your monthly subscription. With this disclaimer out of the way, with this info, you can either scroll up and then select Request a Refund over here to start making a refund request, or you can go back, click on your icon once again and access the Payments and Subscriptions option. Go into Subscriptions and cancel it from here. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to be granted a possible refund. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund a Google Play subscription. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.